We have a reaction coming in. The Aam Aadmi Party refusing to slam the Khalistani apologist Charanjit Singh Channi, and the reaction is from Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, who has distanced himself and has refused to comment. Listen in.
चरणजीत चन्नी जी ने की बोलना है पार्लीमेंट से, तो उन्होंने हुआ है जब तक कांग्रेस ਦਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਧੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਅੱਧੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਅ ਐਂਡ ਆਰਡਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਐਫਰਟਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਕੱਲਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਐਮਪੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮੈਂ 3.5 ਕਰੋੜ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਸਟੋਡੀਅਨ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਜੋ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਮੁਤਾਬਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੰਵਿਧਾਨ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੜਨ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੈ ना, उसे संविधान मुताबिक कल नूं कोई होर फैसला आऊगा तो असीं मिल।
So that is the Punjab Chief Minister refusing to condemn Charanjit Singh Channi, and he says law and order comes under me. I'm going to look at whatever is needed for ensuring that law and order is maintained, but he is refusing to mention that Amritpal Singh had unleashed violence in Punjab, and that's the reason why he has been booked. Amandeep, the Chief Minister, wanting to take a very safe stance and refusing to call out either Amritpal Singh or even Charanjit Singh Channi, who has come out in support of the Khalistani sympathizer.
Absolutely, Pratibha. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has played a very safe shot, and in fact he has clearly indicated that he is not endorsing the statement of Charanjit Singh Channi, and simultaneously he said that I am concerned about the law and order situation of Punjab. It is not only of one MP, he is the custodian of 3 crore people of the state of Punjab, and in fact anything that disturbs the law and order situation, that will not be tolerated, and law will take its own course. So it was a clear-cut indication that Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has separated himself from endorsing Charanjit Singh Channi's statement, and in fact he has diverted the question towards the law and order situation, just because when Amritpal was detained under NSA, Bhagwant Mann was the Chief Minister and he was in a well coordination with Ministry of Home Affairs when Amritpal Singh has taken to the Dibrugarh jail in Assam from Punjab. It was all coordination between the Punjab intel agencies and central intel agencies and the police, as well as several other agencies also, and Home Ministry has also taken into the loop while taking this action. It was not central government's decision to detain Amritpal Singh under NSA. It was the Punjab government who took this decision after taking the intel inputs, and Amritsar Deputy of Commissioner, he has placed Amritpal Singh under NSA. So Chief Minister has separated himself, and he has also concerned about the security and law and order situation. But now it is the time for the Congress party to clear their stand, that is this statement is only the personal view of Charanjit Singh Channi, or the party is giving the back to Charanjit Singh Channi's statement when he was speaking for Amritpal Singh. Just because, Pratibha, Amritpal Singh was detained under an NSA. He attacked police station, where several policemen remain injured. He captured and hijacked Amritsar Ajnala police station. He was creating his own militia, and he was distributing the flags and the bulletproof jackets along with the weapons of Khalistan. So this was what done by Amritpal Singh, who detained under NSA. So brushing all these facts aside, Charanjit Singh Channi says that 20 lakh people have elected that person as a member of parliament. His freedom of speech has been killed. What about those activities that was initially done by Amritpal Singh to create the unrest in the state of Punjab?
And the centre is probing his links with Pakistani ISI as well. Amid these grave charges, Charanjit Singh Channi coming out in support of him, the Punjab Chief Minister refusing to condemn him. The BJP says that these parties are playing for vote bank politics. And they say this is not just a personal comment by Charanjit Singh Channi, this is the tukre mindset of the Congress party.
कांग्रेस का हाथ अलगाववादी और आतंकवादियों के साथ हमेशा से रहा है, ये तो हमने देखा है। याकूब मेमन की पैरवी, अफजल गुरु की पैरवी, 26/11 में पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट देने की कोशिश। अब कांग्रेस पार्टी के सांसद चरणजीत चन्नी जी, जो पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं, वो पार्लियामेंट में खड़े होकर कहते हैं कि अमृतपाल सिंह पर एनएसए लगाना गलत है, उनके बोलने की आजादी पर हमला है और उनको रिहा किया जाना चाहिए। कांग्रेस पार्टी आज अलगाववादी और खालिस्तानियों के समर्थन में उतर आई है। ये वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जो संविधान की बड़ी बड़ी बातें करती है। क्या ये संविधान सम्मिलित है? क्या ये संविधान की रक्षा कर रहे हैं? जो व्यक्ति भारत के टुकड़े टुकड़े करने की बात करता है, पैरवी करता है, इंदिरा गांधी जी की हत्या को सही बुलाता है, उसके बचाव में और उसके पक्ष में आज बात रखी जा रही है। ये कॉम्पिटिटिव अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है। आम आदमी पार्टी भी इसी प्रकार के एलिमेंट्स का समर्थन करती है। दूसरी ओर कांग्रेस पार्टी भी इसी प्रकार के एलिमेंट्स का समर्थन करने लगी है वोट बैंक की राजनीति में। वोट बैंक की राजनीति के लिए क्या क्या नहीं करेंगे लोग। आज राहुल गांधी बताए, क्या ये मोहब्बत की दुकान है और क्या ये संविधान की बात है? आज कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरी तरह से एक्सपोज हो चुकी है। कांग्रेस का हाथ